have really seen Mr. Cosby get the justice that he was looking for in Montgomery County.
This is not a vindication of anybody, and it's not the end. It's not over until it's over.
Right now at 5 o'clock, the jury in Bill Cosby's sexual assault trial says they are deadlocked, but the judge ordered them to keep trying to reach a verdict. They are struggling to reach a unanimous decision in this case. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Natasha Brown, in for Yuki tonight.
I'm Jessica Dean. Jurors are hung up on all 3 felony charges, and our Joe Holden is live at the courthouse in Norristown with the day's developments. Joe?
Yes, Natasha, good evening. When the jury announced that it was deadlocked, you could essentially hear a pin drop in this courtroom. The judge by law reads a passage in some instructions to the jury that says you must return and try to reach a verdict. In the wording of this instruction, it actually says just short of violence. So they were instructed to go back to the jury room. That was at about 11:45 this morning, and we have not heard from them since. A sudden midday development.
Oh my God!
Turned the steps of the Montgomery County Courthouse into a madhouse. A couple-person drum corps lapped the building. They were eventually told to hit the mute button. Protesters fumbled with signs.
Exactly! Free him! Free Mr. Cosby!
And heated debates between accusers and those demanding Bill Cosby be vindicated.
One of the reasons why I came out is because I couldn't do that.
At 11:30, the jury forewoman gave word to Judge Stephen O'Neill they were deadlocked on all 3 charges. That sparked tension and drama. Some accusers of the actor and comedian were reserved in their read on what the jury could be up to.
The jury's deliberation continues. We don't have any other comment at this time.
The reaction in the courtroom was flat. Prosecutors and defense attorneys were motionless. Central witness Andrea Constant, whom the case is built around, stared straight on. The body language of some jurors showed frustration.
All of us are tired, but it's really not important to do this quickly. It's more important to do it right.
Cosby's team immediately reacted.
Mr. Cosby should not be here today.
They applauded jurors for what they said was a careful review and retrial of the evidence in the jury room.
We get out of here the way we came in, as a not guilty and innocent man.
Jury has now been at work for 35 hours and counting. It is unclear what the holdup is, if it's possibly 11 jurors one way and 1 the other. We just can't tell that, and the court, of course, is not revealing that information. Going to the heart of this matter, of course, all along has been the question of consent, and for many of the accusers out here, what happens inside this courtroom bears important in some of their civil cases moving forward. We did speak to one of these accusers moments after the jury announced it was deadlocked. I am working on that part of this developing story for Eyewitness News at 6. And of course, if there is any shred of a development here at the Montgomery County Courthouse, we'll be back with that. Live in Norristown, Joe Holden, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Okay, Joe, thanks so much. And Eyewitness News will be monitoring every development at the courthouse until the conclusion of this trial. As soon as that jury reaches its decision, we'll have it for you here on the air and also at CBSPhilly.com.